Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, how are you today? Before going into the explanation, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatra Tito, and in this video, I will explanation about the process of forming chemical compounds. Before from the topic of this discussion, there are the main topic of discussion that I will discuss. Discussion. The number one, what is a chemical compound? The second, why chemical compounds can be formed, and three example of the formation of chemical compound. The next, before knowing the formation of a compound, it would be better if we first know what a compound is. Chemical compound or compound are substances formed by two or more elements through chemical reaction. Compounds can be broken down into their constituent elements. Compounds are also formed through chemical reaction between atoms that form chemical bonds, be they ionic bonds, covalent bonds, or metallic bonds. Therefore, compounds have an orderly and defined structure with a fixed composition of the elements that form them, and have their own characteristic that differentiates them from other compounds. The previous definition explains the importance of chemical bonds in forming compounds as well as the role of structure and properties in distinguishing compounds from the elements that form them. An example is in the formation of natrium chloride compound. It can be seen in the reaction that sodium chloride is formed from sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. So, in the reaction example above, we can see the reaction to form compound sodium chloride from sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium chloride is a kitchen spice that is often used in everyday life and is not harmful of the body. In fact, from the reaction above, it can be seen that the ingredients that form the sodium chloride compounds are compounds that are strong acid and base, such as hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, which are very dangerous for the body. This phenomenon shows that the structure that forms chemical compounds play a very important role in the properties of the compound itself. The bonds formed between atoms or molecule and other molecule in a compound show how the compound will reaction later. The process forming chemical compound itself in an attractive force between atoms and other atoms to stabilize the structure they have. So next, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are compounds formed non-metal atoms with other metals. Non-metal atoms with metal atoms, thus forming covalent bonds on. Sorry for the inconvenience. The video was interrupted due to technical problem, so I will repeat the explanation. Hydrochloric acid and hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are compounds formed from non-metal and other atom non-metal. So this forming a covalent bond or sharing electron. Covalent bond or sharing electron. This forming a covalent bond or sharing electron. So if the two compounds are reacted, the anions and the cations from each compound will react with each other and form a new ionic bond. with a transfer mechanism that is stronger and more stable than the previous covalent bond, which is the reason why the covalent bond is released in each compound. This results in a new compound that has a more stable structure. Namely sodium chloride and water. And to obtain pure solid sodium chloride, recrystallization technique can be used. After the recrystallization technique is carried out, the sodium chloride crystalline solid will be obtained with a more patterned structure and dipole bonds. This compound of sodium chloride. So dipole bonds occur between sodium chloride molecules and other sodium chloride molecules. So it forms a compound that has a solid phase. So maybe that's all I can say. Please forgive me if there are any shortcomings. Thank you for watching our video and bye bye.